Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Magnific AI and compare it with Topaz Labs to see which one comes out on top. In order to do so, here we are at Magnific.ai, and we could just take a look here at the homepage just to kind of get an idea here for what Magnific is capable of. And what Magnific is primarily used for is as an upscaler, transformer, and generator. So I believe you can generate images. I don't know that that's its primary function, but you can definitely enhance your images. And we can just take a look here and see for yourself what the results are. So you can kind of see here just the change in detail there. And looking through, we really see the quality change, just how nice that looks, the way that upscales. And we have a variety of examples here that we can see with Magnific. And I think the results speak for themselves. I mean, Magnific is definitely does some gorgeous generations, and the results are really quite spectacular. Now, the only thing that when it comes to Magnific, and I've touched on this before, it does an incredible job. The downside is that the subscription is really quite expensive. It's $55 Canadian in order to gain access to Magnific. And you could see a variety of examples, but as far as actually playing with Magnific and being able to test it out for yourself, the only way that you're going to gain access is through paying that subscription. And so that to me is a bit of a barrier of entry, because I would like to at least try something out before I throw down that much money for something. But I mean, if you just look through here, you could see for yourself what the results are like, and they really are quite spectacular. We can compare this with Topaz Labs, which does some of the same things, but it has a little bit different functions here, depending on what it is you're looking for. So we have with Topaz Labs, we have the photo AI, the video AI, and the gigapixel. I think the photo AI is going to be the primary one that we're going to be taking a look at, because the video, that's not really relevant with Magnific. I don't think Magnific does video. I'm pretty sure they don't. Gigapixel, okay. So I think what gigapixel is primarily for is to enlarge images and still maintain that sharpness. So that's a little bit different from what we're looking at with the photo AI. And the first thing that I could tell you with the photo AI is that you can actually purchase this with Topaz Labs for a one-time cost. And that right now is $169. That's on sale at the moment. It's regular $199. So that sale price might not last forever. But we could just take a look here for ourselves. You could see that with Topaz, we have add enhancement, denoise, recover faces, sharpen, and upscale. So the upscaler is where things are similar to what you would have with Magnific, but that's basically the main difference between the two of them. You're either looking at a $55 a month subscription or a one-time charge of $200. And, here you could see what the results are like with Topaz, and they really are quite spectacular. I mean, you could see that change in detail. So the opportunity to have something that's that you have full access to and is one-time charge of $200, and then you are able to do as much upscaling as you want, that is much more cost effective in the long run than paying a $55 a month subscription, as far as I'm concerned. And, you could see for yourself exactly what the results are like, and they really are quite spectacular. Now, if you're doing something and it's just a short time project and you don't need necessarily to have like a long-term subscription, then maybe that $55 a month is perfectly fine for you, for your purposes. I would say for myself, if I had to choose between the two, I would much rather go with that $200 charge for something that I get lifetime access to, as opposed to having something that is basically after 4 months you're paying more with that than you would if you were just paying for Topaz Labs outright. And the results speak for themselves. I mean, Topaz has some really spectacular results. And so I would say of the two of them, Magnific does some really great stuff. You could see for yourself what the difference is in many of these images. I mean, the upscaling is gorgeous. It looks beautiful. The only thing I would say, though, is that price point to me is a barrier to entry. And if I'm going to pay that much for something, then I would really like to be able to try it out before I pay for it. So that's all there is to it. We'll just leave it there. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.